Hello! So I'm back with my skincare video, obviously a different one this time, and first of all I want to mention here that thank you so much guys, for subscribing to my channel. I know the number is still very less, but seeing this tiny steps also makes me so much motivated. Keep watching my videos and keep liking it, and keep subscribing to my channel. And people who are new to my channel, I just want to tell them that my name is Juna, and I'm so glad to have you all on my channel. So talking about today's skincare, it actually has 4 steps. Not very lengthy one. It sounds very lengthy, oh my god, 4 steps, but not at all like that. It's very easy, and I personally believe in easy skincare. I don't want to create all those hassle. So the first, okay chalo, I will not mention the steps now. I will take you through the steps one by one, okay? And because I want to really say it here that because I am born and raised in the beautiful states of Assam, so we people who are from Assam or northeastern part of the country, they can relate to me what I am saying, because there people believe in, most of the people, they believe in being natural, being organic, or use all those natural ingredients on our faces. It actually works as a facial also, you can say, a very affordable or maybe reasonable facial. Yes, I am very excited to share these things with you guys. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video quickly. So the first step is cleansing, obviously, and there is no way I can fix my camera in my bathroom. I don't have any arrangement as such there, so I will not be able to show you. So cleansing is normal. Wash your face nicely and splash lots of water, like normal water, and not hot water, not chilled water, but normal tap water. Wash your face with that, and you can apply cleanser and face wash. I am out of cleanser. बिल्कुल ख़त्म हो चुका है, so I will apply my normal face wash. So ये है मसूर की दाल. This is red lentil. We call it मसूर की दाल. You can see this. So you can soak it for an hour or 2 and just grind it and make it a paste. This is step 2. So let me make some space and show you. This is the mixture, the one red lentil masoor dal. So we need to take as per our requirement. Okay. So add some raw milk to it. Don't heat it, don't warm it, anything, just the raw milk. Okay. So थोड़ा सा we dip it and see. Okay. This is how it looks, and I will also add little bit of sandalwood powder, chandan. Just little bit. You can see, not much, because the main ingredient is this. Just pinch of sandalwood powder and mix it properly, and we get it. So it's already dried up, and I'm gonna wash it with normal water. You know the drill, right? Guys who have not watched my first skincare video, do watch it. It's there, and just damp your hands and upward circular motion, remember. Yeah, so I'll see you once I rinse it over. Step 3. So we gotta moisturize our skin now with some glowing the best thing to moisturize your skin. Okay, I swear by honey. After applying any face pack, our skin generally gets dry. So for make it little bit soft and to moisturize it, add honey, rose water. We need little bit, we don't need a lot. And we will add some lemon juice. Vitamin C is very good for your health, your immunity, and for your skin also. You know, we pay so much money sometimes for all those tiny bottles of vitamin C. These things, these homemade things works not less than that, or maybe honey feels so soft, isn't it? So I'm done with the mixture, and we need to keep this mixture at least 20 minutes to half an hour. So I have some time in my hand, and I had this thing in my mind also. So I thought that I'll just speak it out. This message is specially for the boys and men, because I have seen in my surroundings, you know, from childhood or maybe now also, maybe my husband, my brothers, or anybody. So they are so reluctant for skincare. They always say, oh, who will take out this much of time? These all are messy things. We don't have time. Or these are girly things. Let it be. You know, actually, boys, these are not meant for girls only. This is for you too. Trust me. Start taking out some time for yourself. I mean, for your skin. At least 15 minutes a week is good enough. I'm not asking, you know, do it regularly, but at least take out some time any day a week. And trust me, you will feel good from within. You don't have to impress anybody. You don't have to do it for anyone. Do it for yourself and you will feel good. And अगर आप में से किसी ने भी ट्राई किया कभी भी कोई भी चीज़ स्किन केयर के ऊपर, एंड मुझे ज़रूर बताना कमेंट सेक्शन पे. आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी टू हियर. Step 4, it's moisturization, proper moisturization. So you can apply anything you like or you are used to applying. I swear by coconut oil, so I will apply 2 to 3 drops of coconut oil. You can use gulab gel as a toner also. This was all about today's skincare video. I hope you liked it. And I don't know whether the camera is doing justice or not, but the skin feels really great. It feels amazing, super soft. I was in fact spotting 2 or 3 whiteheads also, which is gone now. And try it out, all you out there, try it out. These are readily available and easily available in your kitchen, and do let me know how did you like it in the comment section. And also if any one of you have any allergies to these ingredients, do not use it, and you can test it before using it if you have any doubts on the wrist or back of your ears. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, do take care of yourself and your family. Signing off.